What I would suggest is that we have products, the BK2 and the BK1. Now, I would suggest that these are held in your van, as they are very adaptable and adjustable fittings for a wash hand basin waste outlet, which comes complete with a clicker waste. McAlpine's dome wastes go completely over the face, actually, of the dome on the waste outlet, so it provides a tremendous seal. Another advantage being is that, one, it has an expandable stock, so what it does is it catches a pipe that's already in the wall and gives you a fair line of adjustment up and down, so it can fit most applications which you come across on contract work and new work. These are also in the national merchants. The product is quite unique. The merchant or the plumber doesn't have to keep a slotted grating or an unslotted grating. All you have to do is use the tool which comes with it, remove the spacer washer, this spacer washer, and it does an overflow basin. If you're not using it with an overflow basin, an unslotted waste, it would actually, you leave the spacer washer in, tighten the product back up, pop it in, and that's it complete. This is a dry fix. There is no sealant required, as it completely compresses with the seals available. Completely, as I say, adjustable, both in the BK1, which is the bottle trap, with the same adjustment, and clicker waste. That's two of the items I would suggest that they're in the van products.